Alright, we're going to take this thing out and give it a cleaneroo. It's not too bad, but we want to clean it out. Alright, so this thing's not going to turn on, so we got whatever pressure we got left. Well, this, of course, it's stuck on. It might be. Try and get as much of it as possible clean. Almost out of air. By the way, you shouldn't do this. Yeah, we're at 20. It's not going to kick on. So this switch here is just toast, and there's just like not a lot I can do about it. Actually, it might come on. I didn't think about it. It's not plugged in. Maybe it'll just be stuck on all the time. Oh, cool. Maybe we just bust that thing out of there. Or maybe it'll just work. Anyway, we gotta get this thing back in there. So you see how burnt this thing is? I really shouldn't. I should probably take it back for the $10 that I spent on it. But it sounds so good. It's really a shame that these things all seem to have a similar problem, and you just can't trust these techniques. They're made too cheap, and I'd say the solution is probably to just go ahead and wire on the fan continuously. I don't have an easy way of doing that. I don't know. I'm sure somebody's done this before, but this is just not enough of a fan. These things, they just get too hot. I don't know what's going on with this stage right here. There's a little bit right here too. You can see these ones. But no, nothing else really otherwise. I get everything labeled out. Buffer amp, input selector, audio multi, audio muting. Interesting. And then we have this board that plugs in here. We can read what it says on here. AF mute, S out, PWN, ST, DT, CK, E. We don't know what any of that crap means, but it doesn't really matter. And then usually it's L is left, E is earth, R is right, and then we have +5 and something else and something else. So we go back over to this one. I don't know what any of that is, but let's see. One of them is going to be input and output, and then it powers this one here, which has no fan blowing across it. So it's quite possible this channel doesn't even work. However, this one looks worse. So it'd be interesting to see, get a thermal camera on here and just see what temperature these things are running. Or maybe I'll do that in another video.